They'll pick you up. You go over.
Yeah, I can go over.
No, go below him. We'll go right by him. He's getting killed as it is.
Yeah, we'll give him a little reprieve when we take it there. Oh, we're not. We're going below. Have a mile up there, 8 minutes away.
All the power boaters coming out to tell us what assholes.
Dragging their lines. They have like $1,000 spread of lures out across like 12 lines, and we're gonna hook them.
Well, they got about 100 sailboats there in the way of the course.
I know. Well, that's what I'm saying. Like maybe there's a fishing tournament.
I got the mark.
Yeah, there it is. See it? Hey, watch your back, Craig.
See that